The SPTA cordless car buffer polisher is a highly efficient and versatile tool designed for various car care applications. Its brushless motor, equipped with variable speed control, ensures precise and controlled polishing, allowing users to tailor the speed to the specific task. The inclusion of two 12V lithium rechargeable batteries provides extended power, and the range of polishing pads accommodates different requirements. With a lightweight and portable design, this polisher is easy to use, making it ideal for tasks such as removing scratches, swirls, and holograms from the car's paint. Additionally, it restores the vehicle's shine, offers protection against environmental elements, and stands out as a valuable tool for maintaining a polished and well-protected vehicle appearance. The NYX Mini 3 Color Sensor Colorimeter stands out as a portable and efficient color-matching tool, facilitating instant identification and matching of paint and digital color values. Its user-friendly design allows for easy scanning of any object or surface, providing digital color values and matches for over 200,000 brand name paints. Notably, the colorimeter boasts 300% plus improved resolution compared to other models, ensuring enhanced accuracy in color detection. Its durability is evident through its splash and dust-resistant features, IPX4, making it suitable for various environments. Additionally, compatibility with Pantone, RL, and NCS color standards further extends its versatility. With no calibration required, this colorimeter is a valuable asset for precise color identification and matching in diverse applications. The PREXISO 2-in-1 laser tape measure offers a versatile solution by combining the precision of a laser distance meter with the convenience of a traditional tape measure. Capable of measuring distances up to 135 feet with its laser function and extending up to 16 feet as a tape measure, it caters to a range of measurement needs. The device's multifunctionality includes calculating areas, volumes, and performing Pythagorean calculations, adding further utility. With a rechargeable battery, large display, and durable construction, this tool ensures accuracy, convenience, and efficiency in various applications, making it an excellent choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. The Drill America Bridge Reamer is a high-speed steel tool crafted for enlarging and aligning existing holes with precision. Its tapered point facilitates entry into overlapping holes, and the short length makes it ideal for use in tight spaces, ensuring versatility in various applications. The hex shank design ensures a positive grip when used with portable electric and pneumatic tools. Engineered for durability, these bridge reamers are robust enough to withstand the demanding conditions of construction work. Whether you need to enlarge holes for bolt or rivet installation, or align overlapping holes, the Drill America Bridge Reamer provides a reliable and efficient solution, available in different sizes to meet your specific requirements. Unbuckle Me is a revolutionary car seat buckle release tool designed to simplify the process of unbuckling car seats, particularly with children inside. Conceived by a mother and daughter team frustrated with the challenges of unbuckling their kids, Unbuckle Me utilizes leverage, making it up to 50% easier to release car seat buckles. This tool is especially beneficial for individuals dealing with arthritis, long nails, or other hand mobility issues. Notably, Unbuckle Me is child-safe, not attaching to the car seat, and is crafted from durable materials capable of withstanding regular wear and tear. The MiLESEEY DP20 Pro bilateral laser measurement tool stands out as a versatile and powerful laser distance meter, capable of measuring distances up to 120 meters. Its bilateral measurement feature is particularly advantageous for measuring distances in challenging or obstructed areas. Offering various measurement modes, including distance, area, volume, Pythagorean theorem, indirect distance, and continuous measurement, this tool caters to diverse tasks such as home improvement, construction, interior design, and landscaping. With Bluetooth connectivity for data transfer to smartphones or tablets, a rechargeable battery supporting up to 20,000 measurements on a single charge, and a durable dustproof and waterproof design, the MiLESEEY DP20 Pro is a reliable and efficient solution. The TaskStar cordless electric scissors offer versatility and power for cutting tasks such as cardboard, fabric, and carpet. Their 4V lithium-ion battery provides up to 30 minutes of continuous use on a single charge, ensuring convenient cordless operation. Equipped with a safety lock to prevent accidental activation, these scissors prioritize user safety. The ergonomic design enhances ease of use, and their portability makes them suitable for various environments. With the added convenience of a storage bag and USB charging cable, the TaskStar cordless electric scissors are an excellent choice for individuals seeking a reliable, safe, and portable cutting tool for both home and professional applications. The Grand PITSTOP Tire Puncture Repair Kit is a convenient solution for fixing tubeless tire punctures, handling sizes up to 5.5 mm. Its semi-automatic screw mechanism simplifies the insertion of mushroom plugs into the puncture, ensuring an efficient and permanent repair without compromising the tire's lifespan. The mushroom plugs effectively seal the inner liner and fill the puncture path. With a lightweight and compact design, the kit is easily portable, making it a practical addition to your car or motorcycle. Following simple steps, such as locating and removing the puncturing object, reaming the hole, and securely inserting the mushroom plug, ensures a reliable repair. The kit is a valuable tool for drivers and riders seeking a quick and effective solution for unexpected flat tires. The Rio Mahari Firewood measuring tool is a practical and sturdy device designed for measuring firewood efficiently. Constructed from steel, it features a robust magnet base that easily attaches to the chainsaw bar. With adjustable settings, the tool allows for precise measurements of firewood lengths ranging from 16 to 26 inches. Utilizing the tool is straightforward. Attach it to the chainsaw bar, set the desired length, and cut the firewood accordingly. This user-friendly tool not only streamlines the process of cutting firewood, but also contributes to time and effort savings, making it a valuable addition for those engaged in firewood preparation. The Milescraft 3406 Grabber Pro stands out as a versatile and safety-focused push block, catering to precise woodworking across various tools such as table saws, router tables, jointers, and band saws. Its adjustable multi-leg design offers customization for different workpiece sizes and shapes, ensuring a secure hold with its high-friction grip. The elevated base adds an extra layer of safety by keeping hands away from the cutting blade. The GrabberPRO's angled handles provide superior control during operation, making it an essential safety tool for both novice and experienced woodworkers. Enhancing precision and efficiency, this push block is a valuable addition to any woodworking toolkit. RAK Magnetic Wristbands have gained popularity among handymen and DIY enthusiasts for their practicality in holding small tools and fasteners, such as screws, nails, and drill bits, securely in place while working. Crafted from durable fabric with strategically embedded strong magnets, these wristbands accommodate various tools and fasteners, providing a convenient solution for those working in tight spaces or on ladders. The adjustable design ensures a comfortable fit for most wrist sizes. The benefits of using an RAK Magnetic Wristband include saving time and frustration by eliminating the search for lost tools, enhancing safety by preventing dropped items, increasing productivity, and making tasks in confined spaces more manageable. The Aquapaw Pet Bathing Tool is a versatile grooming tool that combines a sprayer and scrubber in one. Suitable for indoor or outdoor use, it works with both shower and garden hoses. Constructed from premium-grade silicone, the Aquapaw is gentle on your pet's skin and coat, featuring a comfortable, non-slip grip and an easy-to-use on-off button. It proves easy to operate, helping save water and reduce mess during bath time. While it excels in its gentleness and convenience, Some users have noted challenges in attaching it to a garden hose or found the sprayer to be too strong for some pets. Additionally, it may not be as effective as a traditional brush in dealing with mats and tangles. The Porter Cable 20 volts Max Cordless Brad Nailer is a versatile and powerful tool designed for a range of woodworking and home improvement projects. With the ability to drive 18-gauge brad nails from 5/8 inches to 2 inches in length into materials like wood, plastic, and composite, it offers flexibility in application. The cordless design eliminates the need for a compressor, hose, or gas cartridges, providing convenient mobility. Equipped with a potent motor, the nailer ensures consistent firing power even in cold temperatures. Its lightweight construction and optimal center of gravity contribute to user comfort and reduced fatigue. Additionally, the tool features multiple tool-free settings for enhanced productivity and dual LED lights to illuminate the workspace. The Greenworks 40 volts 16 inches brushless cordless chainsaw stands out as a powerful and versatile tool suitable for various tasks, ranging from small pruning jobs to felling larger trees. Its brushless motor provides up to 30% more torque than traditional brushed motors, ensuring optimal performance. The 16-inch bar and chain make it capable of handling demanding jobs. The chainsaw's user-friendly features include a push-button start, an automatic oiler for chain lubrication, and a chain brake that stops the chain in milliseconds during kickback incidents. With up to 40 minutes of runtime on a single charge, this chainsaw is compatible with all Greenworks 40V batteries and chargers. Backed by a 3-year warranty, it offers reliability and ease of use for homeowners. The Kitchen Mama Epic 1 Multifunction Opener stands out as a versatile kitchen tool, capable of effortlessly opening various items, including jars, bottles, cans, and pull-tab cans. Particularly beneficial for individuals with arthritis or weak hands, it requires minimal effort to operate. The opener features an ergonomic design for a comfortable grip, ensuring ease of use. Made from durable stainless steel, it can handle various tasks, from cracking nuts to cutting through tough packaging. Additionally, the opener is dishwasher safe, and its magnetic feature facilitates convenient storage. Overall, the Kitchen Mama Epic 1 Multifunction Opener is a valuable and user-friendly addition to any kitchen. The WireGear Sight Pacer Tool is a reliable and user-friendly device designed for the straightforward installation and removal of pistol sights. Crafted with a durable aluminum frame and reinforced steel components, the tool guarantees long-lasting performance. Its versatility is enhanced by a reversible sight prong assembly, accommodating Glock slides with ease. The inclusion of a large sight adjustment wheel facilitates precise micro-sight adjustments. With its rust-proof, sturdy, and compact design, this sight pusher tool stands out as a dependable and portable option for users seeking accuracy and reliability in handling various pistol sights. Thank you for watching this video on top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.